is June the 11th, 2020, on Thursday. There was an egg, but we had a shell, but it was so thin, it must have cracked when she laid it. But, right there, around that, cedar pole, I got eggshells poured out around it. They was eating some this morning. Well, I'll go over here because I got some meat for the chickens. And I normally feed it to them over there. So we're going over here. Alright. Okay. So, what in the world? I just found an egg under here. An old egg under that, right there. The ledge of that. It's like very brittle. But anyways, this is it's meat that Nanny got freezer burned and all that. She got it before Papa got sick with pancreatic cancer, and he didn't eat a whole lot, so she never got to make it. But anyways, that was a few years ago. But anyways, we got some pork chops and some chicken breasts. No tenderloins. Look at them cannibals. They're eating these, at least trying to. It's about six pork chops, and I think it's 6 tenderloin chicken. So, as they eat this, and feed the chicks. They are they're sticking their heads through, wanting some food. Alright everybody, I'm right here, and look at these chickens. Woo! Hey, I actually got one. Okay, so anyways, back with the chicks. And it's been kind of breezy today, like a constant breeze. It's been pretty nice. As you saw in the pictures, I was working on an axe, and that strange purple wood, well, that's cedar heart. Purple cedar. I mean, the leaves aren't, the needles aren't purple, but it's the heart of the tree is purple. And down on the creek, one had died. It was one that had, I guess it was offshoots about the size of a man's arm. I'm not quite a man, not very muscly arms. Anyways, I cut off a section of one of the offshoots of it, and it had been drying because it was dead. But I had it in the shop, and I said, since it's softwood, I used to cut wedges for axe handles and different types of handles, wooden that you'd make, and I used it. It's harder, the heart is harder than the white wood, the brown, regular wood, softwood, because, well, cedar's a soft wood. Y'all probably knew that, but I'd been working on it some last night because we stayed the night at Nanny's, and she loves it when we do that. I was working on the cedar, shaving it down a little bit, and I walked in the shop this morning, and it smelled like cedar. It smelled pretty good. Y'all can't see, you can probably barely see the chicks right over there. I didn't think they were going to knock it out of my hand, but I wasn't holding it very stiffly. But go ahead and pour this in here. Oh, Meta's still over there. I didn't feed him any plums today. Maybe, well, I had like half of a handful, and I dropped it in the fence. But I guess I was kind of teasing him, because I was sitting right over there, about at the gate between the big and the little lot, on the outside, in a chair, carving my wedge this afternoon. And the little shavings would fly off, and the chickens would go after it. And they would start to peck at it, but it was basically the same thing as their wood shavings, because the cedar shavings we put them in, we bought these from Tractor Supply. But we had them in their little tub, the metal tub, in the garage. I think that was a different type of cedar. But yeah. I guess it's supposed to be in the 80s today. I can't remember upper or lower or mid. I can't remember. But it's kind of cloudy sometimes. It's mostly blue sky, but there's, patches of clouds that fly over, however clouds do. Yeah. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm probably gonna go inside. It's not too hot, but I'll probably go inside in the AC and finally sit down and start editing these videos. 'Cause I'm making these videos to put them on YouTube and all that. So, alright. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.